Hello everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. So I just wanted to go through the purchasing of this course, the Algo Trading Python 3 version 3 infrastructure building blocks with cryptocurrency. Once you get past your validation of the PayPal, you'll be coming to a window which will have a section like this. Fill in your username, first, last, email, password, and if you're already a member, just click here. That's it. And that will then send out a bunch of emails. And now the big thing you need to note, and I'm putting this in big, is this will send it to your PayPal ID email, not your email that you register with that graph I just showed you. So, and that's this one. So it will not send to this email if it's different from your PayPal. So once you do that, you'll get 3 very quick emails. First thing is once you register, you'll be taken to a link here that will say thank you, blah, blah, blah. Ensure that you check your email, your support. Then you get an email that will say thank you very much for registering at so-and-so dollars. And then this product has to be downloaded. And then you'll get a little receipt. Then it will confirm the user ID, the password that you put in that registration part. Here's the login link. But before we get to that level, you will get another email, which means you have to click on one of the links for confirmation right here. Confirm by visiting the link below. Once you do that, then you'll be able to log in and go into the appropriate login area. And then once you have that all set up, you should be able to get access to this page right here. Or let me show you. So here under the courses at quantlabs.net/academy, you should then be able to get access to the dashboard right here. Python 3 Algo Trading course, infrastructure building blocks. Once you have access to that, you should then get access to all the necessary stuff like the notes, meetup information about the Facebook group for programmers. That's open to anybody, by the way. And then you'll get a little message saying that you are enrolled. It should do that automatically for you. If not, you'll get a green button that will look like let me just see here. Opens this one. Yeah, so you'll get that message and you'll get this little green button here. Just go enroll today. Then you should get access to the course material at the lower part here. And off you go with the notes. Click it on, mark as completed, next unit, so on and so forth. And that should be that. Okay? Hopefully I'll be out later.